Habari zenu wanafunzi na viewers wote wa channel hii. Nakaribisha tena katika dakika chache ambapo tutaendelea na solving ya maswali ya mathematics, na tuko kwenye mtihani wa taifa wa mwaka jana wa 2024 na tusha solve swali la kwanza mpaka swali la 10, na unaweza ukawa na solution ya maswali haya kwenye channel yetu kwenye video mbalimbali ambazo zipo nyuma ya video hii. Kwenye session ya leo tutasolve swali la 10 tu, na hivi ndivyo ambavyo tutaendelea na swali la 10. Swali la 10 tumeambiwa kwamba part a candidate obtained a minimum average of 53 marks in 2 mathematics test. If she scored 54 marks in the first test, what is the least possible marks she would have scored in the second test? So as you can see, a candidate obtained a minimum average of 53 marks in 2 mathematics tests. So the average was 53, but in one of the exams she scored 54. We have to find the least possible marks she would have scored in the second test. So we are going to assume let x be the score of second test. Let x be the score of second test. So finding the average of these two tests will be taking 54 plus x divided by 2. The average is going to be 53. Okay, the average is going to be 53. So we're going to solve for x, and then from here we're going to cross a multiplication. When you cross a multiplication, you'll be having 54 plus x equals to 2 times 53. So 54 plus x equals to 106. X will be 106 minus 54. So x equals to 104. 160 minus 54, you get 52. Okay. So the least possible mark she would have scored in the second test is 52, dear students. So the least possible marks she would score is 52. Question number 10b. You are asked to make a fence of a garden using a wire which is 56 meters long. The fence should be rectangular in shape with an area of 171 square meters. What will be the dimensions of the fence enclosed in the garden? So we're going to construct a garden which is actually in a rectangular shape. This is going to be length. So this is going to be length here, and this is going to be width here, and we were given that actually the wire used to create the fence is 54 meter long. So this is going to be equivalent to perimeter of this fence. So we can say that perimeter is 2 in the bracket length plus width. So 56 equals to 2 length plus width. You divide by 2 both sides. So length plus width equals to 28. So this can be termed as equation number 1. But we're informed that area equals to 171 meter square. So area is length times width. So 171 is L times width. So LW, this is 171, and this is actually question number 2. So we are going to make one of the variable here the subject, and I prefer to make W the subject. It is 2080 minus L, and this can be question number 3. And we are going to plug now this equation to this equation here, and when you plug it, so you'll be having L on apology, we'll be having length times the width, which is 28 minus L, you get to 171. So you have 28L minus L square equals to 171. I'll be taking all variables to this side, and when you do that, you'll be having L square minus 28L minus 28L plus 171 equals to 0. You can solve this question by factorization method. We are going to break down 171 into factors, and by actually by 7, by 9, an apology. Think of how you can break this. So by well, so 171, if you break it down, you divide by 3 this number here, you're going to get actually 5. 21 by 3 will be 7. By 3 will be 19. Then by 19 will be 1. So 171, this is actually 9 times 19. So if we have to split the middle term, we are going to consider negative 9, and negative 19. Summation of them will give you 28, and the product of them will give you 171. So I'll be taking L square minus 9L minus 19L plus 171 equals to 0. You take L out of the bracket, it is L minus 9 minus 19 here, you have L minus 9 equals to 0. So we factorize. When you further factorize, you'll be going with L minus 19 multiplied by L minus 9 equals to 0. So L minus 19 equals to 0, or L equals to 9, an apology. L minus 9 equals to 0. L minus 9 equals to 0. So actually L is 19 meters, or L equals to 9 meters. So we're going to have a table here with L and the width. So we got actually L is either 19 or 9, and here is going to be 19 or 9. So dimensions actually of, because the question is asking you about the dimension of the fence will be dimensions of the fence is 9 meters by 19 meters, and that is solution for the word problem given, and it is actually question number 10. According to Necta format, question number 10 is actually on quadratic functions. As we have seen quadratic function. It is a word problem, and the students were supposed to use the knowledge of quadratic function to get the solution of this question. Yeah, so that is all regarding solution of question number 10. Ni watakie kila la heri kwenye safari yenu ya kujifunza mathematics. Mpaka video nyingine, kwaherini. Lakini kama ndo mara ya kwanza kuwa hapa, basi usisahau kusubscribe ili kupata content nyingine zaidi katika channel hii. Asanteni sana. Safari njema kwenye kujifunza mathematics.